I got a mess. Still haven't put that stuff up yet. This over here is a total mess. Total mess. Everywhere, just a total mess. So you guys gonna help me clean up, and I gotta hurry up and drink my wine. Let's get to cleaning up. See you in a minute. I guess I'm gonna start over here first. Oh, look at that. It's a mess. Oh, I hope you guys quiet. Put it over there. Oh, my life. Just a total mess. It's just your daddy. Oh, make all the noise. Put the bacon out. Do we need this?
To the truth, and when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me, you got it all inside of you. Feel to the truth, and when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me.
Facial hair, foam and gel wash, and then this is tree plant sugar. This is some more scrub stuff. Can you have my bag? This is the wine I'm gonna be drinking later on my live. Hope to see you guys there.
to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside. And when you dance, I'm in. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in. You make me move. You make me move.
This is the color. Now this. What do you do with this? Put the paint on there? I found the blue one. Found the red one. And I found some, oh, you know what, that's what I'm gonna need. Ooh, I found some brushes. And then I got some letters. I think I'm just gonna, and these paints. And then I'm gonna get a bowl and just throw all this stuff in there. I guess this should be enough brushes, yeah. Cause I'm saying I'm not buying nothing. Cause I know I got enough junk around. I only know if my printer will work. And I could have printed out some color and painted the color. Cause I got these letters and stuff on the thing. Spell out something. I don't know what I can spell out with these letters, but it's gonna be something. Okay, so the paint. See that good. Then I got my brushes. I have 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. I got 6 brushes. That should be enough. And I think this is what you put the paint on. I think that. And then it's not Easter. I'm just gonna paint that. You know how this. I can paint that. I know the paint probably dried out, so I can paint that. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm just I got that. I'm just gonna put these on the plate. I'm just gonna put this stuff on the plate. they should have had a plug come with it. Set up. Okay, I'm gonna go look in my closet and see what else I can find. So far, show you that. So far, that's my little setup. Now I need to go see can I find some more of the stuff that I have. I'm just using whatever I had around the house. I didn't go buy nothing extra. Be back.